In this question, we are given two rectangles that form angle 40 degree and 30 degree with the straight vertical line, and we need to find this angle alpha. So to find this alpha angle, we can find this angle. Why? Because if we are able to find this angle and alpha angle are vertically opposite to each other. So this red angle will also be alpha. Yes. Now, to solve this question, let's mark few important angles. Let this be angle 1. Let this be angle 2. Let this be angle 3. Now, angle 3 is vertically opposite to this angle, this red angle. Yes. So, these two angles will be equal to each other. We will come back to this. And we know that we have two rectangles. So, in rectangles, all the angles are 90 degree. So I'll mark the 90 degree angles with blue color. This is 90 degree. Yes. Similarly, this is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Yes. Now let's solve this question. Angle 1, angle 40 and 90 degree lie on a straight line. That means together they form a straight angle. So angle 1 will turn out to be 180 minus 130. That means angle 1 is 50 degrees. Similarly, angle 2, angle 30 and 90 degree also lie on a straight line. So they together form a straight angle. Angle 2 will be 180 minus 120. That means angle 2 will be 60 degrees. Now let's see how we can find angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be 180. Why? Because you can see that these three angles, angle 1, 2 and 3 are angles of a triangle. So they add up to 180. Angle 1 is 50, 2 is 60 and easily we can find angle 3. So angle 3 will be 180 minus 110. That means angle 3 will be 70 degree. Angle 3 will be 70 degree. Now look at the figure. As I told you in the beginning, angle 3 and this red angle both are equal to each other because they are vertically opposite to each other. So this angle is also 70 degree. Yes. And I also told you this red angle is equal to alpha because alpha and this angle are vertically opposite to each other. Now these angles, these four angles, 70 degree, alpha angle and these 90 degree angles are angles of a quadrilateral, a small quadrilateral. Let me mark this quadrilateral with a different color so that you can see properly. So this is a small quadrilateral. Yes, so this is a small quadrilateral that we have and the four angles are 90, alpha, 90 and 70. So we can use this information to find out the alpha angle. Alpha angle plus 90 plus 70 plus 90 together they add up to 360 degree. Why? Because the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So alpha plus 250 degree equals to 360 degree. Yes. So alpha will turn out to be 360 minus 250. That means alpha will be equal to 110 degrees. So our final answer is alpha is 110 degree. So let's mark it in the figure. This is 110 degrees.